Good morning and welcome back. So today I'm going to another beach along the east coast and I'm going to go collecting stones at this beach today. Let's see how it goes. It's a lot colder out today. I think it's about 3 degrees, but beautiful blue skies. Oh, that's quite neat how the quartz veins are running through this. Oh, didn't expect that. Some cool tones on that side. Spotted this standing out. Nice bright orangey yellow. Look at the patterns in this driftwood. Well, that's massive. Massive piece of what I believe is brecciated jasper. What is that? Look at the shape. Fascinating. A lot of the gravel is smaller here compared to at the other beach, but it's all along the same coastline in Canterbury. It all follows along the east coast. Oh, that's neat. I love how it's a circle and a deep red with some lighter coloured veins through it. I'll hold on to this one. Oh, big waves. A little orange piece today. Oh, that water's getting close. Do I need to move? Need to move, not quite. Oh, I thought that was going to be cooler than what it was. Interesting nonetheless. I was uncertain about picking this one up because look at the texture of that. What's that? Interesting shape. All my phone's going to be minis today. I do love the little spheres. Seems to be the brightest colours I spot today. In the minis. I'll keep this, it's good for jewellery making. You can see the water splashes up here regularly. It's a shell, but that colour really stood out today. Just looks like a mussel shell, but those colours look really nice in this piece. Very vibrant, the ocean's tumbled it nicely. Taking a look along the edge of these, see what's gotten caught. You can see all the cracks through it. It's beautiful. That is an interesting texture. I do quite like that. I'm going to leave this one here though. But a moment of appreciation for the interesting texture. What is that? That one is very vibrant. Leave that here. However, it looks awesome. So another moment of appreciation. Okay, so I'm going to start heading back now. I haven't had too much luck on the way down here, but I have been walking for quite some time. So hopefully I will have some more luck on my way back. But for the moment being, it is actually a really beautiful spot down here. I'll show you. So at least even on those unlucky days where I don't find as much or anything that completely wows me, I still get these amazing views, so for that I'm grateful. What is going on with this place? It's interesting. So much driftwood. Drift trees. Whole trees. It's massive. Oh, I love the patterns in this piece and the banding. It's completely flat on that side too. Wow. Oh, that colour's beautiful. Can you see the sparkle in that? Well, I think I found one last find for the day. Chunky piece of milky quartz. So this will likely be my last find for the day because I'm nearly back and I'll sit down and lay the rocks out again. I think I got lucky. Oh, not that great on that side. Just an appreciation moment, I guess. Because the colouring through this is beautiful. Oh, no, I'm going to bring it with me. Okay, so I found a little spot where I can line up all the rocks that I found today and choose my favourites to take home with me. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.